For the linear function 32x plus 12y minus 19 equals 0, if x decreases by 2, how does y change? So the first step here is going to be to determine the slope. Find the slope of the given linear function. So we're just going to rewrite this. So 32x plus 19y minus 12y, sorry. Minus 12y minus 19 equals to 0. We're going to rewrite this in slope y-intercept form. So we're going to get 12y equals negative 32 x plus 19, divide everything by 12, and we get negative 32 over 12 x plus 19 over 12. And this can be reduced, so this is our slope here. So the slope equals to, so 32 over 12 can be reduced to negative 8 over 3. Okay, so that's our slope. Now, the question tells us that if x decreases by 2, so that's going to be represented by delta x equals negative 2. How much or how does y change? So the change in y is going to be represented by delta y. So the slope formula is, so now we're going to be using the slope formula, which says that m, the slope, equals the change in y divided by the change in x. Okay. Now we are here looking for what the change in y will be. So we're going to rewrite this here as the change in y equals the slope times the change in x. We have the slope is negative 8 over 3. We know what the change in x is. It's negative 2. So it's just a matter of plugging it in now. So the change in y equals negative 8 over 3 times the change in x, change in x, so negative 2. Okay. So this is going to be 16 over 3. And that cannot be reduced any further, so that's it. So our answer is that when x decreases by 2, y increases by 16 over 3.